Hello everyone, welcome to IEM Labs. My name is Vishakha Priya. Today we are going to discuss about types of cloud computing based on cloud computing models. So cloud computing provides developers and IT departments with the ability to focus on what matters most and avoid undifferentiated works such as procurement, maintenance, and capacity planning. Each type of cloud service and deployment method provides us with different levels of control, flexibility, and management. Understanding the difference between infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, and as well as what deployment strategy we can use, can help us decide what set of services is right for our needs. So let's get started. Okay, so first we will start with infrastructure as a service. So, infrastructure as a service contains the basic building blocks for cloud IT and typically provides access to networking features, computers, virtual or on dedicated hardware, and data storage space. Infrastructure as a service provides us with the highest level of flexibility and management control over our IT resources, and it is the most similar to existing IT resources that many IT department and developers are familiar with today. Next is platform as a service. Platform as a service removes the need for our organization to manage the underlying infrastructure, usually the hardware and operating system, and allow us to focus on the deployment and management of our application. This helps us be more efficient as we don't need to worry about resource procurement, capacity planning, software maintenance, patching, or any other of the undifferentiated heavy lifting involved in running in our application. The next is software as a service. Software as a service provides us with a completed product that is run and managed by the service provider. In most cases, people referring to software as a service are referring to end user applications. With the software as a service offering, we don't have to think about how the service is maintained and how the underlying infrastructure is managed. We only need to think about how we will use that particular piece of software. A common example of a software as a service application is web based email, which we can use to send and receive email without having to manage features, addition to the email product, or maintain the servers and operating system that the email program is running on. Moving to the next, we can see in this diagram, in on premises, we have to manage everything from application to networking by our own, whereas in infrastructure as a service, we have to manage only our application, data, runtime, middleware, and operating system. On the other hand, in platform as a service model, we just have to manage our application and data, and everything will be managed by the cloud provider. Next is software as a service where everything will be managed and we just have to use the end product. So that's all for today. I hope you like our video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.